Hi, good morning everybody. Today is the 1st of September, so we're taking the kids to go and try the what call it? The KTM train lah. First time for the kids to try sitting on a train. I mean for Isaac lah. The two girls have sat before. So we're going to travel to Sungai Petani for a short trip and have some breakfast there or something, and then come back just to sit the train. So come on, let's go. Let's try it out. Okay everybody, yay! We are at Bukit Tengah KTM station. So we park our car in the public car park here. I think the charges is about RM1 per hour or something lah. Anyway, it's quite secure, but there's not that many spaces lah. If you come early, maybe you can. We're lucky, I think we got one of the last parking spaces. It's now about 8:05 AM. So our train is 8:46 I think, or some 8:40 AM or something like that. So we got time lah, go and bring the kids to the toilet and buy our tickets and stuff. Okay, let's try. Let's go. Come on. So there's a kiosk here for buying your ticket. And you can buy a return ticket using your credit card, using Wave. So it's very convenient. You can use touch and go also, or boost. So you just select your destination, click it on the touch screen, and then you can buy your ticket. So the ticket was RM5.60 lah. Return Bukit Tengah to Sungai Petani. Unfortunately, halfway through buying some tickets, the machine went out of order. So you can buy from the ticket counter here also, menu. Okay. So you need to scan the ticket here lah. Oh, I can't cross the line. Okay. Okay, let's go. Train station. So when you come in, we need to cross across. See, there's a sky bridge there, right? Can you see, Nelsa? We have to cross across there to go to the platform. There, in the green color. Okay, let's go. There's a lift. You can take the lift or you can take the stairs. Which one you want? I want to take the lift. So this is the stairs. So we'll take this is we are on the sky bridge now, and walking across to the platform. Okay, so check which platform. 2 or 1 or 3, because you need to know. Okay, come. Come, Nessa. Hey, it's not coach for ladies only. What about me? Hey, it's not all Jabon one. I think that might work. Yes, that's cool. Nah, changing ya? Yeah, just here. Yay! Hey, sit down, come on. Fun? So the trip is going to be about less than half an hour actually to Sungai Petani. So we're on the way now, northbound. Duduk lah. So how many stops? How many stops are there to Sungai Petani? 9 stops ah?
Yeah.
So now we are already reaching BM 12. No lah, what 9? Only 3 stops only. After this Tasik, Glugor, and then Sungai Petani. Very near ni. Huh? Every stop is the same.
The same distance?
Yeah. So for a lot of people already. See? See the...
So many more people.
Yeah. We've got old people, let old people sit lah.
Then we stand no?
Yeah. Hey, we are here. Yeah, Sungai Petani. Okay, let's go. Go. Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Okay, so it's 9:09 AM. So the train itself is very it's always on time, very punctual. Okay, this is Sungai Petani. Yay! So where are we?
Sungai Petani.
Okay, which way should we go? Oh no, why are you chasing the chicken?
No, it's I like.
Don't chase the chickens away.
Shoot.
Oh my goodness. Kesian ni.
I like.
Elsa, you're not a chicken. Okay. We're at a junction here. So you want to go Pusat Bandar?
How long is that walk?
About 20 minutes lah, not very far lah.
What?
Oh, you can see here got a restaurant Mi Tajuddin lah. That one we used to eat during after our golf games last time, and we used to play golf in Sungai Petani. So they have good mee goreng. So I actually live in Sungai Petani when I was younger lah. I think like the first 9 or 10 years of my life I live in Sungai Petani. So actually the KTM, it used to have entrance on that side. So if it was the old train station, then we didn't have to cross and take a big loop here. We would just end up in the city center, the city the main street lah, I guess. So now we are approaching SP Plaza. You see the clock tower soon. I'll show you the clock tower. Okay, I think you can see the old clock tower here. It's a historical monument, this clock tower. I can't remember how long ago, but when I was living here in the 70s or so, it's up now, so I think it's very old. I don't think the traffic light, pedestrian traffic light works lah. No light. So this is the Medan Selera, Jalan Padang. And next to it is the HSBC building lah. I don't think HSBC operates here anymore lah. Yes. Not sure what it is for now. But it's a really old building. You can even see the Kedah State emblem in the walls. 1921. Wow. So I guess this building was built in 1921. Looks pretty run down now. So this is the old business street for SP. Last time all the like supermarkets and everything were around this road lah. When I was growing up in the 70s lah. Now SP has spread out all over. Up from Bagan Lalang, Bidong area, right up to the south where the industrial estates are. Sungai Jagung and that kind of place.
Oh wow!
Then there's a... So this is Jln Dewa, the Medan Selera Jln Dewa. Last time, now they made it with a canopy. But last time it used to be just an open street, parking for cars and everything. So now it's like a food street here. Oh, so early in the morning. Now it's about 9:32. There's already a lot of stuff to makan. I'm not very sure what is good here. And there's a coffee shop on the left and the right. Those are already old. They were open since I was born. Basically, used to eat there also. There's an uncle there with kway teow keng, pretty good. I think he must be in his late 70s or 80s already by now. Kedah Got Talent.
Oh. 29 September.
Yeah. 2017. Oh, the uncle is still selling kway teow keng. Wow, he's so old now. I think it's about my dad's age. Almost 80 already. Okay, the place you want to go is just opposite. On the right is the, I think what, Wow or something.
You're so cute.
And then there's a famous noodle shop. This is also part of Jln Dewa. So famous noodle shop here lah. My parents also like to eat here actually. Wow, so full. Yeah. The name of the shop is Wakyong Coffee Shop, Kopitiam. Oh, no place there. This one Alam in the famous one.
Come here, bigger.
Mì nọ quá. Chị ơi. So this lor mee, this is the first lor mee I used to eat last time. So I'm going to order one bowl for. Lor mee, kanami. Chị ơi hả? Okay, mi. Okay, what is it? Lor mee, kanami. Thank you. think I was like 6 years old. I can eat, when I could eat solid, I came here and eat the lor mee. So that's why until now I love to eat lor mee. So this one is the lor mee, and this one is the alame mee, right one, very famous one here. So, hi uncle, come here. Come here, luôn. Okay. So the uncle, I talked to him just now lah. He also been selling lor mee here for 50 years already. 40 over 50 years because when I was 6 years old, I used to eat his noodles. Same lah, these three stores are the chicken rice, lor mee and the alame mee have been here for 50 years I think the alame mee now also, I think second or third generation already. Oh, this is lor mee, very good drinks also here. So I ordered the teh lah. This one is a special type of herbal tea they sell only here. It's in this coffee shop So it's a black bowl, it's served in a bowl Also very nostalgic They still make it until today. Oh, nice What's that? What are you eating? Wow, nice So Elsa, you're the only one who had 3 different types of noodles, the pan mee, alame mee and also the wanton mee. Which one is your favorite? Alame mee Oh, you also like alame mee Akong's favorite as well Akong also eat this one also good but your best preferred one is alame mee Okay. So what I would say is different about the food here in Sungai Petani, especially is the yellow noodles. The yellow noodles in Sungai Petani, I don't know, it's probably made by a local noodle shop or noodle company here, factory and it just tastes a bit different. It's a bit, it seems like there's like maybe more egg content in the wheat flour, and there's less smell of the kansui, the noodles in Sungai Petani. I find it's quite pleasing to bite, and also I like it because there's no smell of the alkaline water smell. So if an SP come to Jln Dewa here, any of the shops, all of them are using the same type of noodles. You like the soup style or the dry one. Even the lor mee also was using the kind of yellow noodles so you can try it out. So this shop also very famous Chong Heng Cafe a lot of food here. Last time there used to be a very good economy rice I don't know whether it's still selling. The chicken rice and the kway teow also very good. So okay, it looks like it might be the weather is getting a bit dark. So and we still have about 1.5 hours until the train arrives. So then this one is the old OCPD, I think the police station across the road there. That's the old police station. And there used to be a through road to the front, and there's a railway crossing. But now they've closed the road now. This junction right in front of us used to be the railway crossing to go to the Lao Po Kan. Now it's closed already. So So you see this main street here, a lot of gold shops lah. Oh, kedai emas. See, so many of them here. Hey, got limau manis also. Oh, that one, but big tree ah. Wah, dia nangka tree, rambutan, petai also got. Oh, so the black thorn durian oh. Can buy here.
Longan.
Oh, a lot of durian and longan.
Longan.
Yeah lah, cannot lah. You think apartment how to plant longan. Oh, gonna rain already. Gonna rain. Yeah. So next to the old police station I was talking about, now it's actually the Persatuan Bekas Polis Malaysia. So there's a pathway lah, there's a flyover lah for pedestrians and motorbikes, bicycles to go across. So let's go. Haha, getting wet. Finally, we made it. It's 11 something. Hey, what's going on?
The cat. Jamir, he loves me.
Isaac, no. Punya. Come, Isaac. Come. Don't.
Okay lah, 11:30. We have 20 more minutes before our train arrives. We are on platform 1. Okay, so here it comes. Okay lah guys, it's been a good trip. We're heading back to Bukit Tengah and then taking the car home already. So good way to spend half the day here. Alright, see you next one. Thanks guys, bye. Having lunch at Yongke in BM. Wow, really good dishes. So all your Teochew dishes are famous one in BM. Okay guys, hungry already. Yeah, we are in BM.